do-it-yourself lip fillers, well, it went viral after TikTok users shared videos of themselves administering the product using tools sold online. Aesthetic physician Dr. Danielle Brenza is telling us why these at-home fillers could be very dangerous.
There could be major complications with doing this on your own. This is not a simple thing. This is a medical procedure. I mean, this kind of behavior could lead to permanent disfigurement of the face.
These devices are called hyaluron pens, and although they may look like big needles, they use pressurized air to force the filler into the desired area. Now, Dr. Brenza warns that using these tools could cause infections that can lead to lumps, also swelling, and in some serious cases, death and blindness.
You wouldn't go online and, for example, buy a breast implant and watch a video and do your own breast implants. It's the same thing. The FDA should absolutely be stepping in and banning these hyaluron pens. Do not do it at home.